Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the process of recovering your WorldApp account. First, if you had backup enabled, your account should appear at the bottom of the login screen. Check carefully because in most cases, if the backup is active, you can directly restore your account from there without any extra steps. If you do not see your account listed, then you will need to create a new temporary account on a second device. This step is important because WorldApp does not allow you to log in with your old account on the same device where it was originally created. After creating a new account on the second device, open the app and go to the Settings menu. You will find the Settings option at the top right corner of the screen. Once inside the settings, look for the Support section. Tap on Support, and then again in the top right corner you will see a Customer Support icon. Tap on the Customer Support icon. Here you can either talk to a bot or request to speak with a real support agent. When you are connected, explain your issue clearly. Provide details such as your old account information and mention that you no longer have access. By following these steps, you can easily recover your WorldApp account even if the backup option is not available. Thanks for watching.